Alrighty, welcome to another one, guys. This one is a pretty special episode.
It's exciting.
What are we doing today?
We are going to the Brisbane Caravan and Camping Super Show.
Yes.
Why?
Because you already know by now that there's a little alien growing just in here. And our caravan only has 2 bunks. So we're going shopping for a brand new caravan. So we're here, we've navigated Brisbane. And the reason why we've come to an expo is because all these caravan manufacturers are in one spot and you can pin them all against each other.
There is so many vans to choose
I know.
from.
So we made a little hit list and we'll tell you what we want in a van. And yeah, so now we're going to go and have a look at them and try and find a half decent dealership.
Yeah, that's the main thing, isn't it?
That's the aim of the game, that's half the battle. A good van and a good dealer.
Right, let's go.
Do you know where to go?
No, there's too many. What do we do?
Start somewhere.
Yeah, let's start here. Holy. What do you think of this one?
This one, the old one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
You into the snacks already, boys? What are you eating?
Eating kiwi.
Kiwi. What do you think of the van so far? Do you like the vans?
Yeah.
There's lots, isn't there?
Yeah.
We went into a van before and they were just so eager to sell us a van, it sort of ruined it. So
Yeah, it's
anyway,
too much, wasn't
it
it?
was too much. So on to the next one.
Lennox doesn't want this one. You don't want this
No
one?
like?
Nothing, Mum.
It's got nothing.
And I know what this, I know what that, I know
Alright.
what this one.
Okay.
On to the next one then.
If you can do it without kids, it is recommended.
Oi!
Hello! Do you like these colours?
I don't know. You take it in there.
So this is a Sunseeker, Desert Storm or something.
Yeah.
And this is a 3 bunk. So 1, 2, 3. Lennox down. I quite like the colours actually.
Yeah.
It's very bright. Love all the windows.
It's a bit pricey. 170 or something? It's a lot of do-re me.
Yeah. So that's another thing you should put on your wish list. Your budget. Because you don't want to come undone.
Yes, so probably not one. Probably this isn't the one. And
It's
probably,
beautiful though.
Yeah, it's a beautiful van, yeah. Price-wise though,
Not in our budget range. Do you not like this one?
So, we found a quiet little spot. We're just having lunch because, what is it, 12:30 now? And we've been to a few of the camping, or the caravans that we had on our list. I think it's important to note, before we come here, we did a heap of research. We had about 5 or 6 caravan manufacturers that we had on our list. And we've just gone straight to them because it can be overwhelming with the amount of caravans.
Yeah, that is a lot.
Yeah.
So many different ones, and it does get a bit overwhelming, and sometimes you just go, is it worth it?
But yeah, we've got a couple to go. Thanks, Lennox.
Show everyone your bottom.
Couple of vans to go after lunch, and hopefully we can pick one today.
Yeah, I just haven't been into that one that you walk in and go, yeah, this is my home.
Yeah.
Have you?
Not yet. I'm sure we'll get there though. So,
Yeah.
quick lunch break and we're back into it.
This is nice.
It's fancy, isn't it?
Wonder if my name is Bunks.
Mate,
Yeah.
Spinny, for you.
Bunks? I think there's a Bunks over there.
Another great thing about this banner in here, there's no timber in it at all except for the cabinets. No, floor, ceiling, walls, no timber, which is like the biggest tick of my thing. And
I just want to make sure that they can do everything that we want. We're spending this much money.
Yeah. So I guess we want it customizable.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that the word?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this van's packed with extras all the moment, but we want a few extra things to let us last a bit more off grid. So
Yeah.
I guess we're going to see if they can do it.
See if we can find someone.
Find someone to, and we want a dealer that is good to deal with.
Yeah.
A dealer that is good to deal with. No, seriously, probably half of what buying a van's about. Finding a dealer that's going to have the after-sales service and all that you want. Because, yeah.
Good feel, nice, honest. That's what I want, honest.
See if we can find someone that will let us film this whole process.
Yeah, I wonder.
Alright, we found a salesperson who also happens to be the owner of Brisbane RVs. This is Steve. Tell us a bit about yourself, Steve.
Yeah, owner of Brisbane RVs. So Nick and Alina came on the stand a couple of hours ago now and looking for a caravan, and they've bailed me up in this caravan now to do a video, which I've agreed to do. So they came in looking for a caravan. I think you guys did some research prior online. And have come into Brisbane RVs to see our vacation arrange. So the guys are talking about building a custom build van with heaps of power, off-road, and as small as possible, being 19'9" is what we've sort of discussed so far, with east-west bed and triple bunk, but we also have to flip the ensuite and which was your wish list. So we're just going through the process of I guess hopefully buying a van at the end of this. But yeah, it's a journey that we're going to go through together, and I think they want to share it with you guys.
Yeah, so we're going to try and film as much as possible, and yeah, Steve's guiding us through the process. So we've just sorted out what we want. Steve's given us some ideas. We've gone to and from. Yeah. So I think we've nailed what we want.
Yeah.
What happens next?
I think I've written down quite a big list, so I need to tally this up, and we've got to work out a deal for you.
Cool.
So we can jump in the office and work a deal and see where we end up.
This is a bit scary.
Magic happens, eh?
Well, the magic happens apparently. So yeah, we've been sitting here for the last half an hour or so, and we've gone through the wish list, and it is, like I said earlier, a fair wish list, and we've come up with a deal, and we've agreed to purchase a caravan. So
we did ask Steve for his best price too.
I was forthcoming with that. So yeah, congratulations to you guys.
Thank you.
The process starts, well, already started a few hours ago, but yeah, so what next? And they asked what the process was deposit. So we put down a deposit which goes into our trust account, so we're just fully secure to when they pick up from us later in the year. So then we do contracts, we got to pick colours, and go through probably a few little minor things, and probably have a beer to celebrate as well.
Look forward to that beer.
So we'll get the contract started, and I'll meet you over to Marty over there, and we'll get started on the paperwork.
Beautiful. Let's do it.
Okay.
So we have done the deed.
Next stage is the colours.
So we're going to sit down and pick some. How exciting! That's nice. Not the number.
Congratulations.
Perfect. Thank
You're going to enjoy your new van. How exciting.
Alrighty, it's been about a week now
Yeah.
since we've been to the show and put a deposit out on the van. We just thought we'd jump on and say real quick, it shouldn't be a daunting process buying from a show. If you do your research before you go, whilst you're there you look at all of them, pick the van you want, and pick the dealer that you like, and and then buy it essentially, and choose colours and all that. Well, that's all there is to it.
I'm pretty I reckon having the dealer that you're most comfortable with, we went with these guys. It made it really easy. The whole process was made easy. We were sort of picking colours, and we got ideas from the dealer, which made it so much easier. It's a bit daunting choosing colours anyway. But afterwards they gave us a little brochure pack which had a heap of information of after sales things like caravan insurance and all that, which was really helpful to sit down afterwards, especially if you have never had a van before. So it was really good to know. That was good.
Yeah, and I suppose getting the right dealer is essential because they're the people you're going to be dealing with after the van's built as well, with any warranties, if there is warranties or anything. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope this video clarified a bit, but
And helped you guys out
Yeah.
for buying your van.
catch ya.